Oh, fuck no, you can have to do that thing instead. Oh, that actually still hurts.
What did you do to it?
I just kind of pushed the thing in. Do you have a little hoover?
No, I don't, funnily enough.
I said shower. Fuck my life, that's such a stinging, I'm a bitch.
Shall I show everyone our hotel room?
Oh, you're recording?
This is the bed here.
I need a drink,
Sarah.
I'm too scared.
Why are you too scared?
Because in case it reacts with me.
A drink?
I should do really, shouldn't I?
Have some water. This is our... The office isn't that like looking into our room. Hallway. Bathroom. Disgusting shower from fake tanning. That's alcohol. Sarah's hair dye, all over the town. It's not a big deal. Shall I go get Amanda and Letitia?
Sure.
Yeah.